Your store is making sales, ads are running, traffic is coming in, but every month ends the same. Average revenue, no breakthrough, no AOV growth. You're not failing, you're just stuck. After working with over 10,000 Shopify merchants, we've noticed a hidden truth. The stores that break through aren't spending more on ads. They're not launching special products. They're using psychology. And today, I will reveal 3 powerful gift with purchase strategies built on that psychology. Stick around until the end. The last one is a game changer that will set your store apart. Strategy 1, tiered gift with purchase offers. So here's where most merchants go wrong. They set up a single tier gift with purchase. 1 threshold, 1 gift, done. The problem? 1 tier means 1 chance to convert. Miss it and they're gone. Top performing stores do it differently. They use a strategy called tiers, like this Taiwanese fragrance brand. 13x increased sales revenue within 1 month. Numbers never lie, let's dig into their tiered offers in detail. Tier 1, buy 1,000 Taiwanese dollar to get free shipping. Tier 2, buy 2,500 Taiwanese dollar to get a 5% discount. Tier 3, buy 3,200 Taiwanese dollar to get a 15% discount. This triggers a phenomenon known as the anchor effect. When customers see the 3rd tier, suddenly the 2nd tier feels reasonable. But here's what really matters. You're shifting your customer's mindset from spending money to winning prizes. The stretch to the next tier doesn't feel like buying more stuff. It feels like unlocking a reward. However, 3 crucial rules separate the winners from everyone else. Rule number 1, set your threshold 15 to 20% above your current average order value so that it's attainable for customers, but still protects your profit margin. Rule number 2, don't forget to enable auto add to cart if customers have to copy a code or manually search for the gift. Unnecessary friction increases the risk of drop-offs. Rule number 3, here's what makes or breaks this promotion results. Your offer must be visible as much as possible. My recommendation is displaying a progress bar in their cart like this. Each reward will be updated in real time as a ladder. Shopping journey now looks like a game. Strategy 2, mystery gift. 99% of our decisions, including the most important life choices concerning spouses, careers, and habitats, are made by the patterns known as sensations, emotions, and desires. Therefore, a normal gift with purchase, offer with predictable outcomes, and obvious gifts may lack special feelings. Instead, why don't you take it further with a surprise gift? It can trigger something far more powerful than logic. It triggers curiosity. That's what keeps us drawn to Netflix series. And it's the same trick clickbait uses on our brains. It's human nature to close the gap. When you hide the gift, you shift gift with purchase from a transaction into a memorable experience. Customers aren't calculating anymore. They're imagining like, what could it be? Same gift, same cost, totally different emotional response. To make that experience even more powerful, don't forget this step. Create a real product page for the mystery gift. You can also highlight it with eye-catching tags like bestseller or new arrival to grab attention. And add little hints in the description to show the gift is practical and worth having. Strategy 3, combine with volume discount. Here's a question we get all the time. Why do big stores keep growing while I'm stuck with the same revenue? Here's what we've noticed after working 10 plus years in the e-commerce industry. Our best 20 stores don't reward customers for spending. They motivate customers to add more to win prizes. But the problem is how to make it a natural upsell. The trick is simple. Start with volume discounts to ease hesitation, then add excitement at the final tier with a gift with purchase, like this tech accessories store. They created a tiered offer strategy with Tier 1. Buy 2, get 50% off the second item. Tier 2, buy 3, get the third item at a fixed amount that is super lower than the original price. Tier 3, buy 4, pay for 3, plus get a gift. Let me break down why this works. The discount gets them in. It lowers the barrier for price-sensitive buyers. The gift makes them stay. Unlike endless percentage off sales, gifts don't destroy your brand. They feel exclusive and more emotional. Everything I showed you today, you can set it up in under 10 minutes with the BOGOS app. No code, no crashes, no headaches, and totally free. Find the link that I dropped in the description and set up your upgraded gift with purchase offers today. If this was helpful, don't forget to give me a like. I'm Charlie, and see you in the next one.